spark plugs and wires. Last night, I went to AutoZone. We got a 24-hour AutoZone here in Indianapolis. I never been to it before, but last night I went and got my stuff, man. I'm ready to put this on. I gotta get the rolling. But it's supposed to rain real quick, so I'm trying to do this before it starts raining. Hopefully I can get it done before it get too busy. Or if it do rain, it ain't supposed to rain long. Look like it's sprinkling now. Let me get out here and see, dog. Yo, what's up, man? Look, I went outside to put these spark plugs on my car, man. As soon as I got out there, it started raining. I'm trying to get these spark plugs on. It's Friday, man. I got the stuff to do it, and I'm trying to do it, but dang on it, just keep on raining. I gotta get this done. I gotta get it done. And it's raining. Right now, it's like sprinkling or something. It's crazy, bro. Crazy. All I want to do is be great today. That's all, man. You know how people be saying that. All I want to do is be great. Gotta be patient walking around the house, man, like I'm crazy or something. I just want to fix my car. That's all. Dang. It ain't supposed to do it for long, but what it is doing. Oh yeah, boy. Guess what? I'm back in the ride today. I ain't doing no Uber. Hey, I got out there early today. Got them spark plugs and wires on here. It was raining on and off, and I still got it together, man. You know what I'm saying? And I got my oil changed. We can see how long this lasts. You know what I mean? I think I might have fixed the problem, man. But I don't know, man. You know how these cars is. I just hope this works, man. This is what it was. The spark plugs and wires. What's up, Bob fam? Come on. She watching YouTube. Can't even get off YouTube. She gonna fall down the steps looking at that phone. Let's go. Oh, Lord have mercy. Why did you do a trick? Milo. Jump. Ah.
So irritated. No.
Let me see you shoot, Miley. That's what we get, Miley. She need 11. Feet growing real fast, boy.
Oh no.
We enjoying these kids. Getting these shoes for Milo. Let's see. Where you at?
Yeah, put your foot all the way back. She ain't even on the freaking car.
She ain't even on that. Gee. What you think about your foot being big?
It'll be bigger and earbuds.
Milo, don't go out that door. What?
She said, oh, You see something behind that?
Why are you eating ketchup? Why are you drinking ketchup? Stop it. Huh?
I'm not full. I'm not full. I'm not full.
Well, eat your food then.
You full? Look how much you get full. Come on. Put it with you. Chicken. How much chicken? Now, I think it was my burger.
On my way to the gig, you know what I'm saying? I started the vlog this weekend. I was vlogging. I started a vlog, but I got distracted. I fixed my car Friday. Well, I thought I did. Put through spark plugs and wires. And got an oil change, stuff like that. Car running good. Perfect. And then it messed up on me again Saturday. So I kind of got distracted on the vlog, man, because where I was at when it stopped, I was by AutoZone and I had my tools in the trunk. So I just went on ahead and just went to work right there in the parking lot. Once again, mechanics was telling me the throttle body. And I had just put a throttle body in there in December. So I said, you know what? I got a warranty on this throttle body. So I went on ahead and took the throttle body out right there in the parking lot. Walked over there to AutoZone and got me a new one, brand new throttle body. I got a brand new one on here. So right now, so far so good. I just hope it stay like that. Hopefully this weekend I'm gonna put what they call it, wheel bearings and stuff on here. Wheel hub, that's what I'm putting on here, not wheel bearing. Put a new wheel hub on here because I got an ABS light because of the sensor. The cord for the sensor is broke on my wheel hub on my passenger side front tire. So I gotta get that fixed so I can get all these lights on. I had some rims on here. When I had the rims on here, it tore that plug up on that tire. It's been like that ever since. So I gotta get a whole new wheel hub just to fix that cord. I'll be putting that on hopefully this weekend. I got a big day Saturday, so maybe Sunday put it on. I got distracted, man. This car is giving me hell, man. I owe some money on this car. I'm making payments on it, but if I ain't had these few little payments, I'll put a for sale sign in the window and sell it. Or trade it in for something else. I don't know. Hopefully I can get this thing fixed. Get it right, get it tight. I'm chancing it going to work right now, but it's running good though. It's running good. I'm chancing it going to work, but it's running good, man. I ain't gonna lie. I hope that was the fix. They said it might have been a faulty part that they gave me the first time, the throttle body, they said it might have been messed up. So they gave me another one. And when I put this throttle body in, it was making noises I ain't never heard the first one even make. So it could have been the first one was junk. Sold me a junk throttle body off top. Damn, I gotta fix that. My dang on jack moving all around back there, making all kind of banging noises. Y'all probably can hear it. Yeah, man, let me get to work. Gotta go get this money, man. We'll start the weekend all over again. Got a big weekend. Got a party I'm throwing this weekend, Saturday, and somebody throwing something for me Saturday early during the day for my baby boy that's coming. It's a pamper party or something like that. Whatever you want to call it. Then we got the baby shower next month on the 13th. But my cousin is throwing me some kind of beer, wings, and diaper party or something like that. I don't know. He throwing it for me. It is what it is, man. We're gonna chill with the fellas this weekend. But let me get to the money, y'all. Hey! What's good, man? Hey. I got to work today, man, and they was like, did you hear the news? Did you hear the news? I'm like, no, what's going on, man? It was like, we lost one of our drivers. I'm like, what you mean lost one of our drivers? Well, it's a team couple, man, and they got into an accident. It's a husband and wife couple, and the wife passed away in this accident. And that's what I be talking about when I be telling Tam. I'll be like, this is my last trucking job. I had an incident a couple months ago where I dozed off at the wheel. And when I looked up, I was passing the truck. When I woke up, I was passing the truck. That stuff is scary, man. That could have been me, you know what I mean? This truck driving gig, man, and what I make over here is not worth your life, dog. So make sure, man, when y'all driving next to these trucks, cutting these trucks off, trying to beat the truck, race the trucks, y'all gotta be careful, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all people in these little cars, y'all better be careful with these truck drivers, man. Truck drivers be tired. We can't see you, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of stuff to come with this truck. And y'all be playing crazy, driving around these trucks real crazy because we going slower than you. We can't stop on the dime. We cannot stop like you can stop in that car. We got all these tires and all this weight is on these tires, so we just can't stop like a car can. You know what I mean? It's crazy, man. I see this lady all the time over there and her husband at the job. But I don't know their names, but I'm gonna send a big rest in peace to that lady, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy, man. I see I'm at work now, sitting in the door waiting on them to load my truck, but like this money ain't all that to be busting my ass sleepy, be driving around sleepy and shit, trying to get this freight around for them. It ain't worth it. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm saying this gig right here might be my last, I'm gonna say semi-trucking gig. Driving up and down the highway all dang all day. Down these little roads and stuff, man. I applied for one job doing cement truck. But semi-trucking, they don't pay me enough for this, man. There ain't enough money. People crashing and dying for this stuff. I'm cool. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all like, comment, and share. Hit that notification button so you will know when I post new videos, you know what I'm saying? Tell a friend to tell a friend, man. Make sure y'all go to the bar, fam. They pretty cool, man. It's your boy Win, Tam, Mila, Lil E. We out.